Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix this MySQL error. You can see this error. Error is MySQL shut down unexpectedly. You need to first stop this server and Apache server and exit this XAMPP application. First of all, you need to go to this PC and this XAMPP folder path and go to MySQL folder. In data folder, you can see this path XAMPP MySQL in data folder. You need to copy this all the files, copy, and you can create another folder in desktop, and I can rename it MySQL SQL data backup, and you can paste into this. You can see it. Now I can close that window. I open the current files and you can delete all the files. You can see. Then I open the backup folder. You can see backup folder in by default folder, and I go to this folder, then copy all the files and paste to the data folder. Right, okay, then I think that error is fixed. Now you can run the XAMPP application. Run as administrator and you can run it. Apache server already running and MySQL server is working successfully. Now you can check it. I think it's working now. Yep. Yep, it's working, but you can see missing the all previous databases in our PHP MyAdmin panel. You need to restore it. Then I go to this folder and stop the XAMPP. Yep, you need to quit this for XAMPP and you can go to this folder. This is our backup folder and this is our current data folder. Yeah, this is our backup folder, and you need to copy this database and this database and this, and you need to copy ibdata1 file. I copy it and you can paste here. Yeah, first of all you need to stop these servers and you can minimize it, and this replace, you need to replace this. Okay, now you can run again this XAMPP application. Yep, start Apache server and MySQL server. It's working. Now you can check again this PHP MyAdmin. This is my custom database, and this you can click it and I can see all the databases data tables, and this is data. It's working. Thank you for the watching this, and see you again in another video. Have a nice day.